Hello everyone, welcome to our new vlog and we're going to the oldest Chinatown in the world. It's the Binondo Chinatown and it is in the Philippines. And we are going there because I want you guys to witness the New Year or Chinese New Year celebration here in the Philippines. It's going to be fun, colorful, and chaotic. So let's go and gong zi bat chai. And this right here is the only dragon dancing that I've seen or I've witnessed while I was there in Binondo. And to be honest, the costume's okay. It's colorful, it's fun, but there was no any dancing at all. Maybe because the place is too jam-packed, as you can see. It's really hard to move, especially with all these people around. And there you go, look at me doing some parkour around the people, going under the dragon. But yeah, it's fun, and I think it's something to experience, even, well, at least once in your life. Even with all these people right here, that's what makes it special and memorable. So we're just going to walk around Binondo and try to get into a restaurant because I'm really hungry by this time. And I need to tell you this, if you are coming here on a holiday, especially on a Chinese New Year, be ready to fall in line for a very long time. It's like all the restaurants that I tried to get into, the line is like this. Look at this. Look at the line here. It's like hundreds of people every restaurant. So you gotta have patience And by the way, this is just for the fried show pao. It's like a dim sum, popular dim sum here in the Philippines. That's just a bun. It's a bread. And look at that line. So you gotta be ready if you're gonna come here on a Chinese New Year.
Mag-ingat po tayo sa mga mandurugong. Pag-ingatan ang bag.
And here's an important reminder. If you're gonna come here, you need cash. Most of the shops here will not accept your credit cards. So please bring cash because in Chinatown, cash is king. And here's another friendly reminder. Please be careful of your belongings and as much as possible, bring as little and just the important one as you can because there's going to be pickpockets here in Binondo and they will take advantage especially on times or celebrations like this, so be careful. And after walking for 2 hours, fighting that wave of people, we went to Lucky Chinatown. It's a mall in Binondo. There's a lot of restaurants here that you can choose from, but unfortunately, it's also full, or you need to wait in line for at least 2 hours. So because of that, I'm just going to ditch the idea of me eating tonight here in Binondo. So instead, I'm just going to take you to this beautiful bridge in Manila. It's called Jones Bridge and it's a popular hotspot here in Manila. And lots of locals comes here, especially at night, to take their photos, selfies, or just to appreciate the beauty of the bridge. Right now it's not looking so good because there's a lot of people, but I promise you, in any other given day, it's gonna be beautiful here. It's going to be worth it coming here, visit the bridge, take your own photos, and yeah, great memories. And sometimes it's just get a little stinky here because of the Pasig River, but maybe in the future it's going to be different. Yeah, it's still worth it to come here and appreciate the beauty of the place. So I went back to Binondo at 12 a.m. to check out how it is, and as you can see, it is still full of people. And as a bonus, this fountain is a historical fountain. It was built in 1878, and yeah, it's in the center of Binondo, and it's nice to take photos with it. It's a memorable historical fountain. So go get that. So after all that, I just went back home because I'm so hungry and went straight to the mall and buy me Chinese food in this Chinese restaurant. It's called Sincerity. By the way, they also have this in Binondo. It's a really good restaurant. I 100% recommend this. So yeah, that's it. And if you're still watching, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe so I can see you next vlog. Bye.